This video is to demonstrate the replacement of a probe in the field. First of all, you need to disconnect the vector network analyzer or other instrumentation from the adapter saver. Then you need to disengage the fixture from the HC. Open up the clamp. The HC is removed. Now we can take a wrench and loosen the clamps on the probe. After we remove these, we'll be loosening the probe itself. We can then remove the probe that we want to replace and bring over the probe that's been shipped. Installing this new probe, we'll then take a torque wrench, hold the probe, tighten it to 8 inch-pounds, then we'll reinstall these clamps. These clamps also have a cut to complement the top of the coax on the probe, and you're going to be tightening these up only finger tight in order not to crimp this semi-rigid. So just when it starts to tighten up, just a little bit more finger tight. So upon examination, not only was this part of the fixture in the Y needing to be alignment because the semi-rigid doesn't always come in straight, but these two clamps had to be elevated 12 thousandths of an inch. So I took some shim stock that you can see here, and I loosened the main clamp underneath each section and put a piece of shim stock directly underneath the coax so that the coax would be changed, not just where the screw grabs it. The adjustment screws for this to go back and forth this direction are on a slot, and they can be loosened. I recommend keeping this clamped to put some preload on this in order that it not just flop around when loosening and tightening those screws. But in any case, when doing so, the fixture needs to be withdrawn so the screws can be loosened. This can be tightened in their appropriate place. We have a close-up view of the probe. The left and the right spring pins above and below are the 4 ground pins, and the one in the center of the view is now aligned with the center contact of the HC. See the grounds beginning to make contact. Here's the signal about to make contact. Here's all ground pins making full contact using the constant force spring in the fixture.